Kazuma Tateisi worked continuously towards a prosperous society in which people and machines can coexist in harmony. His aim was for people to live as humanly as possible. He had an unceasing commitment to keep challenging himself. That spirit lives on in OMRON and continues to be inspired by his mission for the company.
我々の働きで我々の生活を向上し、より良い社会を作りましょうと。企業はですね、単なる利潤の追求、不安がためだけじゃないんだと。やっぱりそれが社会に存在する以上はですね、やっぱり社会に奉仕する義務があるんだと。それが経営者の社会的責任であってですね、企業の国政というのはこういうことだというのをまとめたのが社憲なんですね。
Kazuma Tateisi considered a company's reason for being to be its responsibility to the public. Kazuma Tateisi believed that a company should exist to benefit society. It should provide useful social value, earn people's trust, and live up to their expectations.
社会から出てくるニーズをできるだけ早く捉えてですね、これを満足する技術、商品、システムを開発すると。
To be able to look 5 to 10 years ahead and understand the future needs of society, to acquire the necessary technology in advance, and to solve the problems of society through business. This is the story of how OMRON creates value and the venture spirit we've inherited from Kazuma Tateisi.